And they found me.
Okay. We need to talk. This is going really bad. Okay.
Shut up, Vanilla.
Did you say Vanilla?
Vanilla.
Oh, that's a goat's name?
Holy shit, how do you found?
Did you hear that, Jess? She said, holy shit.
What's that video?
Wait.
Well, you have to speak Canadian.
Yeah, because I have a friend from Florida, and she's all obsessed with Canadians, because I've been talking to her, yeah. And now she wants to have a Canadian accent, so we gotta talk Canadian.
Oh, God.
Okay, say something.
I said, oh, God.
Okay, no, say something in French, like really cool. But like, oh my God, I don't know, freak out.
Most really fat.
Did you hear her? Like,
Je l'aime pareil, though.
is that good enough for you, Jess? Baldy pony.